In this video, we will explore the flex shrink property in React Native, which determines how children within a container shrink along the main axis when their combined size exceeds the container size. The flex shrink factor is relative to other items within the container. Let's understand with the UI. To make the concept of flex shrink clearer, we will make a few modifications. First, we will comment out 7 boxes and render only 2 boxes for simplicity. Next, we will suffix each box text with the word shrink. We will also change the flex direction of the container to row and set align items to flex start to arrange the 2 boxes horizontally. Finally, we will set the container's width to 300. As a result, you will see the 2 items flow horizontally but overflow the container, which has a width of 300. Initially, it's essential to note that every flex item has a default flex shrink value of 0. So the items overflow the container. However, we can control the shrinking behavior by setting a positive value for flex shrink. For instance, if we apply flex shrink 1 to the second box, we will notice that the second box now shrinks to fit within the container. By setting flex shrink on both the boxes, they will shrink equally to fit in. Also, the shrink factor is relative to other items, meaning that if we set flex shrink to 2 on the second box, it will shrink twice as much as the first box. You can see the width for box 2 is lesser compared to box 1. In summary, the flex shrink property dictates how flex items behave when their default size is larger than the flex container. By default, the value of flex shrink is 0 on every flex item, which causes the items to overflow the container. However, setting a positive value for flex shrink will make the items shrink when necessary, and the amount of shrinkage will be relative to other items in the container. Thank you for watching. Please do consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.